Good morning. This is an art video from Mumbai Montessori Teacher Training Institute. Today I am going to show you the coin tracing. As you can see, here we have a rupee 10 coin, rupee 5 coin, rupee 2 coin and rupee 1 coin. I have a bangle which I am going to use for support for my tracing, and I am going to show you that through the video. And I have a few color pencils like green, orange, brown and blue, which I am going to use for my coin tracing. So now you can see I have placed a newspaper over here, and I have a plain piece of drawing sheet over here. I am going to place my rupee 10 coin on this drawing sheet, and I am going to put another drawing sheet on top of this rupee 10 coin. I am going to use a bangle for some support, and I am going to use a green color pencil to trace my rupee 10 coin. So let's see how it works. You can see the lovely rupee 10 coin in the tracing. It looks beautiful. And now I'm going to remove the rupee 10 coin, and I'm going to use a rupee 5 coin for tracing. Going to place it over here on the paper, and as in the same way, putting a bangle to support the paper and the coin. And now I'm going to trace my rupee 5 coin. You can see the beautiful rupee 5 coin being traced over here. Now I'm going to remove the rupee 5 coin, and I'm going to use a rupee 2 coin and place it over here on the drawing paper. I'm again putting another sheet of drawing paper on top, and with the help of a bangle I'm supporting, and I'm going to use an orange color for my rupee 2 coin. You can see over here the lovely rupee 2 coin which is being traced in orange. And now I'm going to remove the rupee 2 coin, and I'm going to use a rupee 1 coin, as I want to trace a rupee 1 coin as well, and place it over here. I'm using a blue color pencil for this rupee 1 coin, and I'm tracing it over here. See how lovely it looks. And now I'm going to show you, I'm going to remove the rupee 1 coin, and I'm going to show you a rupee 10 coin again, which I'm placing in the between, and I'm going to use a different color. Previously we used green, so now I'm going to use brown for the rupee 10 coin, just to show you again. You can see the beautiful rupee 10 coin being traced over here. So doesn't this all look lovely? The rupee 10 coins and the rupee 5 coin, a rupee 1 coin and a rupee 2 coin. And yes, this is our coin tracing. Thank you.